I mean, have a look at it. Well, here it is, only a couple of weeks late, but look at that beast. So it's a 2017 Daihatsu Hijet S510P, full drive, low range, diff lock, 660 cc's, 3 cylinders, enough power. I've been sitting on 100 k's an hour for a little while and it goes great. Haven't tried a hill though, might have to try that. Now you're probably thinking that's quite small, and you'd be right. Let me do a quick walk around. Doesn't take very long, just over 3 metres long and 1.4 metres wide. And not as tall as me. How small, you say? Well, I'm 6'1" and I've got this much headroom. Perfect. Lots of room for knees. I'm not cramped at all. It's much bigger inside than you think it's going to be. Inside we've got all the good mod cons. Fast glass over there. Air conditioning, dead set essential for here. Push button 4-wheel drive. Rear diff lock. Adjustable headlights up and down. Low range is selected here. A very ordinary radio which doesn't even work in Australia. It's got the wrong frequencies in it. A fully comprehensive dash with a speedo on it. And a button down there for the rear work light. This one here. And windows. And even has central locking. It's currently riding on a huge set of 145 by 12 inch wheels and tyres. They're going to go fairly soon. Probably swap them up to some 14s. So what's the plans for the big beast? Well, once we've Raptor coated it, put some suspension in it, put some tyres on it and done a few other bits inside, planning a few trips. Maybe head up the Cape, the Simpson, maybe, I don't know. I don't even know how far we'll go on a tank of fuel yet. So we'll see, but should be an interesting journey.